Maddison. He nailed that one. The sweet spot we talked about. He made it look so easy.
What more is there to say? Now comes what has been said to be the hardest part. As if 10 stories skyrocketing into the air isn't enough. The free ball back down. Here it comes.
Robbie was leaning out there. He was looking down, and the weight of that motorcycle alone would terrify a normal human being. But Robbie's so confident as he coasts to the edge of that 100-foot drop. He's checking the bike is in the right gear. You can see him there, pushing up and down on the shifter pedal. Here we go.
He did it! Higher than anybody has ever gone before, and successfully returns